we're on the white worksheet for 5.4 called word problems, and for the rate of inflation, you are going to actually divide 329 by 249, but there's a little bit more to it. So with inflation, it goes into this formula, a b to the x. It's exponential growth. And a is what the price started out with, and y is how it ended up, and x is the amount of time that it took for it to change by that amount. So 329 is going to be our y, so that's the new amount. 249 is going to be a, the old amount. B is what we don't know. It's going to be the growth factor, which we are going to change to a rate. So we're going to convert it to a percent. And 3 is the amount of time that it took to do that. So we are going to divide both sides by 249, but then you don't divide by anything. You actually then have to get rid of the third power. So the process would go like this. You take, was it 329 divided by 249? Okay, so let's just call that 1.321. Let's do 1.321. And that's going to equal b cubed. And we've had a lot of strategies, two strategies actually, to get rid of that exponent. One is to take the cube root of both sides, and the other is take both sides to the 1/3 power. They both give you the same answer, so it's really up to you. If you would rather cube root, that's fine. If you would rather take it to the 1/3 power, that's fine as well. On my calculator, to be honest, it would be easier at this point to just raise it to the 1/3 power, because then you can just do that, and it'll use answer to the 1/3, and you get 1.097. So let's write that down, 1.097. Now we're almost done. That's what's called the growth factor. That's different than the growth rate. The growth factor is what you actually multiply the dollar amounts by to get next year's amount, and next year's amount, and next year's amount. That has the growth rate, which is a percentage, built into it. If you want to take this growth factor and change it to a growth rate, you take the 1.097, take away 1, times 100. 9.7% would be the rate of inflation for the Happy Meal.